Hi, I'm April. Welcome to the Lakes. Hannah's going to show you one of our floor plans. You're going to love it.
Thank you, April. Welcome to the Butler. This floor plan is 2 beds, 2 baths. It's 1,087 square feet, and it's just one of the 5 different floor plan options we have here at the Lakes. Let's check it out. We'll start here in this open living room that connects to both your dining area and a charming patio. I love how these spaces have been decorated with gorgeous accent walls. It's an open concept layout, and you have plenty of room for a large media center for entertaining, and then there's a cozy wood-burning fireplace, which makes relaxing a must. Worth mentioning, select apartment homes have vaulted ceilings, but regardless, every home gets plenty of natural light. Speaking of natural light, check out this patio. Every home here has a private patio or balcony with courtyard or lake views. Now, as we move into the kitchen, you'll see we have the perfect configuration to prep and cook while entertaining. In here, you have white cabinetry with wood trim, GE appliances, and this upper island where you can pull up some bar stools to share a more casual meal. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. We're here in the primary suite, and what I love about this space is that it's cozy, but it feels like a boutique hotel. You have room for a king-size bed, and then you have this spacious closet and a well-appointed bathroom which features a vanity and soaking tub. Next, you have the secondary bedroom, which also could be used as an office. It has its own closet, another large window, and connected to the main entryway is a full bath. Additionally, every apartment here comes with a washer and dryer with extra storage space, and optional garages provide added convenience. And with that, that's a quick look at our 2-bed, 2-bath. If you'd like to call the Lakes your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.